him. Thank you so much. You listen to me. I'm your director. Alfred Hitchcock. Oh, she get me dizzy, Kim. Oh, slow down. Oh, let's go to work sometime.
I want to sit down.
Oh, yes, you can, Dan Bighaus.
Can I sit down?
No. You stay. When I say stay, you stay. It's supposed to be funny. Enjoy the show. Come.
Let me sit down.
Come. Please.
Don't turn your back to the audience.
Don't tell me what to do. I don't know when it comes to telling me what to do, I've got to go find another job. Yes! Got to find another job. I am the director. See? Gee, again! You understand my daughter. Tippi, my daughter. Did I say Tippi? Oh, you went toast. Sounds good to me. Well, what do we have here? I need it. Gatorade. Miracle. They're fooling me again. It's not Powerade, it's Gelato. Okay, you got it. You got it? Okay. Oh, where am I supposed to sit? Oh, you're on the camera now. You stay where you're at, and I'll do what I have to do. You don't tell me what to do. Well, you're the director. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, before I can give her a contract to do a first of all, that's not Tippi. That's not Tippi. Who is that? You see him? She has a contract to sign before she's going to act. Come closer. Sign your contract. You cannot be in the comedy skit until I jump to it. Yeah, I know you're going to get me out. You just realize that I'm even nervous here? Oh, where's that drink? Gregory. Larry, that's the best. That'll be me. And you listening to me? I said, drink up. Don't you? Thank you. Oh, Gary! Power to me. Oh, stay. I know who goes backwards.
Will somebody come and help him?
You're my baby. You're not marijuana, are you? I can't get that. Okay. Now you're ready. What are we doing? Oh, I know what we're doing. Okay. Yes, madame. You have a contract. Where's what happened to us? Okay.
Raspberry juice.
Oh, this? Well, I think it is. Oh, baby, I'm going to drink up and now I'm going to sleep. What was that? I haven't even drank it yet. What? 6 months? 3 months along? 2 months along? I got no! No, I can't be drinking it. I've been drinking it. No! Oh, slowly get it down. Get him. Oh, you just pushed me. Here, darling. Good stuff. I love that drink. I want a martini this time. Woo! Woo! Slowly. Whoa! Okay. It's coming. It's coming. Doctor! Well, don't get back to the classical concept. It's the family show. Okay.
Hitchcock, come here, please. Don't take your time. Get over here.
Yes.
On with the show.
On with the show. Got it. Please, Song, sit down. You stand one more time. Oh, good exercise. Woo! Here, shoulder raise. Yeah,
You want another bite?
Okay. Hey, well, when I say action, I'm saying camera rolling and action. Otherwise, I might have to cut you. If you don't do it right the first time, the second time, the third time.
Put your camera on.
Okay.
Go get it.
Thank you.
It's on.
Oh, what are you doing down here? Oh, I broke my camera. The problem is broken, but I used it without elder glue. It didn't work. I should have used crazy glue. That didn't work either. Yeah, all I can for those things. Okay. Well, he wants you to do it. Watch them all. Bighaus, your secrets. Never tell a lie. See? Are you ready? Just do this, Director. Very well. Oh, yeah, okay, good. Okay. Tippi, pay attention to you all, Director. You're not going to get nowhere in show business unless you do what I say. Camera, ready. Keep on rolling there. Cut. No action. No action. No. No motion. Turn. All right. You dizzy yet? You dizzy yet? Okay, now when I say action, I want you to show me more action. Whatever you want to do. You already got blood on your face. You already bit.
They're gonna get mad.
I hope they don't get mad, and I hope you can kill them. You can do what I say. One more time. One more time. Oh, I need a break again, by golly. This is going to give me some power. Power. Well, give it.
What do they call these type of actors? Do they steal the show or?
Did I mean that? Oh, well, I'm looking for my actors. Yeah. Mr. Bigfoot, you better get ready because I'm going to go ahead and put you in that scene if this one, Tippi doesn't do her part. So, nose up. Ooh, I heard it. And action. Whoa. Whoa. I didn't do it. How'd you get here? You got out of your cage, huh? Oh, Mr. Peanuts. Are you ready for ice skating?
You don't say action. What's he doing? Ice skating?
Hey! One more time. Two more times. Now get it like this time. Otherwise, I have to call Hollywood. But we're in Hollywood in a set. Can't you tell by these great people here?